So good day everyone. For today's viewing, we will check a foreclosed condo unit here in Grace Residences in Taguig City. And as you can see, may sariling mall ang condo na to for your essential needs. This is along Levi Mariano Avenue na ngayon is Cayetano Boulevard na siya. Barangay Ususan, Taguig City at malapit lang sa City Hall, Vista Mall and BGC. So this is the unit. As you can see, meron pa siyang gamit sa loob ng previous owner. And as is where is po tayo dito upon turnover. So this is one bedroom around 33 square meters and the regular price is 4,010,000. But we can request for discount. Pwede natin siya ibaba at 3.7 million subject to management approval. Meron siyang balcony facing city view. Ayan, napakaliwanag niya from the balcony. May view siya ng Makati skyline, BGC skyline, and the barangays of Taguig City. If you are interested to make an offer, please message us directly. This is available in cash or at least 30% spot down payment upon approval of our offer and 70% balance through in-house financing fixed for 5 years, which is more or less 45,000 a month, exclusive of taxes and fees. So again, if you would like to schedule a viewing appointment or make an offer, please message us directly.
There's a bunch, yeah, because my wife loves to do that, to like
season
survivor people.
The Italy one. Use the beach.
Yeah, and they have more this season. So
yeah, and then the story is very interesting because it ends with that with Patrick completely naked and his brother watching. So it's like, so a lot of people are like wondering what that is and what that's about, right? So.
Wala kayong unit na dito? Dito ang ano? Harap?
Kapag hindi pa kompleto yung papel, hindi na muna nila pinapapunta.